Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you about how you can create social media templates and sell these templates to on Etsy as a digital product, or you can also run ads and sell through Facebook ads, Google ads, etc. But first of all, we'll go to etsy.com and let's see that is there anyone selling these templates or not. So I search here social media templates. So as you know, 50 Instagram post templates 2.37, and this is a passive income way. You just have to create templates and list here, and after that they will automatically sell, and you can also earn good amount of money through it. As you can see, he just one time created 1800 Instagram post plus stories, and he listed it here, and as you can see, 1.9k only reviews, and reviews are like 2 to 3 times less than the total sales. And as you can see, 5.40 and 5.40, and we just count reviews, so multiply by 19,000, sorry, 1900, and as you can see, $10,260 from just one, and that's it. So now I can teach you how you can create the social media templates. So we can use Canva. If you don't know about canva.com, canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online, and I also created a playlist on my channel. So if you want to learn complete Canva, then go to this channel and watch the videos. So here I write Instagram Instagram post portrait or square. So I choose square, and let's see. I click on create a blank, and here I search. Let's see, I choose beauty niche. So I click on beauty, and here are different templates related to beauty. Sorry, that's it. So beauty products, beauty salon, and as you can see, there are a lot of templates available here, and they add more templates on daily basis. So what is your work now? So you click on this, and this is template is ready. Click on edge page, click on this, the second template is ready. Click on this, the third template is ready. Click on this, the fourth template is ready. So uh, you can create as many templates as you want. You can create 50 templates, 100 templates. You can do different keywords, and as you can see, there are different posts, nail salon, different templates. So you can create 50 or 100 templates at one time, and now you have option. uh, you can share the template, like when client come to you, uh, click on this anyone with the link and can edit, because client have to change the templates according to his information. So then copy link and then provide this link to client. So this is the way you can sell social media templates and make an account on Etsy or other freelancing platforms like this, Etsy, Fiverr, or etc., and sell this skill. So this is a very easy skill, as you see. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye. And one more thing, you can also change the style. If you want to change the style of the template, then you can also change the style like this. Like this. And you can also change the color palettes. So it's basically on you, because not only because different people use these templates, so you have to be unique. So that's why I suggest you to change color palettes and these styles combinations. So that's it, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.